In this video, we are assembling the Chick Easel card. Now, here's your base piece, and it has a score line here for it to prop up on the easel. If you don't want it to prop, you can just make it a regular A2 card, but you fold it and then it tucks behind your little thing here. I've got this popped up with foam tape and I've already put the liner on just to save you a little bit of time watching. So now I'm going to start assembling the chick. And I do have these little wobblers, and I thought I would make the heads on these wobble. Turn it. So you're just going to line this up. So these little wobblers, you just peel the backing off. You want to make sure you get it lined up. And you can see it just kind of bounces around. So I'm going to put on the nose. And assemble the ears, and then I'm going to put them on. I just want to make sure that they're lined up well. So I'm just going to put glue like on the what would be like the headband part of it. And pretend like I'm gluing it down. And I don't think I like these, so I'm going to pull this off here for it. There we go. This one, the head seems a little bit heavy for that, but I am going to pop it. So let's just... I've tried those wobblers a couple of times, and I don't care for them. And then we're going to put our chick on this base. And then the base, we only glue to this bottom part of the card. And then you can see that it will stand up. And then you just tuck it to be closed. And that is the Chick Easel card. Thank you for joining me.